how to review privacy checkup interactions on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review privacy checkup interactions on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here just scroll down until you find activity log, click on it, and then click logged actions and other activity, and here just go down until you find privacy checkup interactions and click on it. And as you see here, you can review privacy checkup interactions on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.